Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to unblock number on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our contacts app, where we have to click on the three dots in the right top corner, and then we have to click on blocked numbers. As you can see, I don't have any blocked numbers, so right here I have to just add in one quickly. And to unblock this number, all you have to do is just click this icon next to the number and then unblock. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!